Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have a real gem for all you kitchen enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the Emojoy kitchen knife set, a set that promises to revolutionize your culinary experience. So, stick around as we dive deep into what makes this product the best kitchen knife set with wooden handles available. Let's start with an overview of the Emojoy kitchen knife set. This is a 6-piece high-carbon stainless steel knife set that comes with a beautiful wooden block. And the best part? No steak knives here, just the essentials for your everyday cooking needs. Now, let's take a closer look at what sets this knife set apart from the rest. The Emojoy kitchen knife set includes 5 professional knives, an 8-inch chef knife, an 8-inch slicing knife, an 8-inch bread knife, a 5-inch utility knife, and a 3.5-inch paring knife. This set covers all your chopping, slicing, and dicing needs, making it a true cutlery organizer. These knives are made from X50 CR15 superior high-carbon stainless steel blades, ensuring precision and accuracy in your cutting. They come with a durable bolster that provides stability and control, and they are designed to be sharp, sturdy, and practical. You won't have to worry about rust, stains, or pitting with these knives. One of the standout features is the ergonomically designed handles. These wooden handles are not just for aesthetics. They maximize durability and stress tolerance, providing you with a comfortable grip while you work in the kitchen. Traditional polymer handles have industrial strength, creating a perfect blend of design and practicality. Keeping your knives in top-notch condition is a breeze with the included knife block. This block is not only a safe storage solution but also an essential for both professional and amateur cooks. It sets you apart in terms of organization and ease of access. But, as always, we don't just take the manufacturer's word for it. Let's see what real customers have to say about the Emojoy kitchen knife set. Customers love the easy-to-hold design, ergonomic handles, and giftable nature of this set. Many have praised the sharpness of the knives and their easy cleaning. But, of course, we also want to provide you with a balanced view. Some customers have had mixed opinions on ease of cleaning and quality. Before we wrap up, we've got something special for you. There's a limited time offer you won't want to miss. A 45% coupon that you can apply right now to grab this fantastic kitchen knife set at a discounted price. To sum it up, the Emojoy kitchen knife set is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. With its high-quality materials, ergonomic design, and all-in-one completeness. It's no wonder why it's considered one of the best kitchen knife sets with wooden handles on the market today. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking to elevate your culinary game, don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, happy cooking!